Hello everyone, how's it going? My name is Siyabonga Forex Lover. So today I decided to create this short video on how to install this price action indicator. For my group members, they all know me. I am assisting them by providing them with PDFs, free PDFs, paid PDFs anyway, not just a fake PDF or something, but genuine knowledge with them, with some trading courses, with some trading systems and everything that you can ever think of, all for free on my WhatsApp group. So now let me first show you how does this price action indicator looks. Actually, I think I removed it so that I can show everyone step by step on how to install it. So the first thing, you come to this, there's this folder, price action indicator. You have to click on it, right click and extract it if you haven't extracted it. So you should already have unzipping software installed on your system or on your computer. So just right click on it, on unzip it, then you will get this folder. So from this folder there are so many folders here, and I think it will confuse many of you. So what I think the focus is on indicator. Let's check. Yes, the indicator, there's price action BARO. Just gonna copy it. This one is the indicator. So we go under Veracity Markets Broker. So we open data folder, as we know how to install and make an indicator. Then MQL4, as you can see, MQL4. Then from MQL4 there is indicators. Sorry. Then we'll go to this new folder. Written new. If you like, you can put it inside of a folder. If you like, you can put it outside of a folder. So right now I will just I don't think it's gonna work, but I'll just go and check it, and what I'll do, I'll just refresh, or you can close and reopen your platform. Let us see if it's working, but I think it's not gonna work because it needs that library on it. So some of you have experienced this. When you install it, there's nothing, maybe nothing appearing, no arrow, anything. Okay, we go back there on that folder. We go back there, we say back. I think it's libraries. From under libraries, you see those two files. It's those libraries. You copy those two. Say libraries. And then you go there again on this platform, then file, open data folder, then it will open this folder, and then from this folder you're gonna go to MQL4. From MQL4 you're gonna go to libraries. There is libraries. I already have one, but I'll just replace it. Then I copy, I replace, I copy, I replace. If we go there again and we refresh our platform, I don't think it's gonna work because we need to install it in a proper way. We need to install it in a proper way. When I put it and drag it there again, it's not gonna work, guys, because it's not installed in the correct way. So what you need to do, you go back there. Let me first actually remove it from the chat. I want to show you step by step. So it's not gonna work, our new. So you come there and then you take this one, license manager. You copy the license manager one. Now we are done. You can close this folder, come back again, file, open data folder. So from open data folder, we have to go to MQL4 again, indicators. And then we put it in the same folder. I mean, not this one, in the same new folder that we have put that indicator. So now I believe it's gonna work now. And one thing I want to mention, this video, I was not going to put this video on YouTube, but now I decided to put it on YouTube, not for you guys on the group, but for anyone else on YouTube. If you're watching this from YouTube, let me know from the comment section if you need this indicator. Is available for free. It's a paid indicator anyway. We are going to pay for it. Maybe some other people are selling it, but you are getting it for free from me and my group. And so I'm going to refresh again the platform. So you let me know, just like the video, subscribe, comment and share if you need the indicator. You see now, this new folder, I have license manager, I have P what R. We drag and drop it. Now it's going to work. Now it's going to work. There we go. Okay, this is what you see when you, after you install the indicator. Let me just put my face beneath there so that you can see this properly. Okay, let me put my face beneath there. Okay, this is what you see after you install this indicator. There was an entry here on USDK. There was a stop loss there. There was an entry yesterday. Hey guys, like I'm gonna be honest with you. This is very, very accurate indicator. Accurate if you can use correct risk management, or even if you can over risk. But it will be unfortunate for you to over risk on a bad trade. But anyway, if you don't over risk, you use correct risk management, then this is a very, very good indicator, guys. Look, winning trade and winning trade, and this one went in your favor a little bit. This one win. This indicator is accurate, guys. It's price action based. I haven't tested it. Please don't ask me if I tested it. And I don't think I have intentions of testing it, but I'll see maybe in the future. I'll see in the future. Maybe I can demo trade with it, but it's because I already have a system, a strategy. So that is why I think twice about using it. So also you can change the template. I think it was gonna look nicer when a template is dark template. So on a darker template, this is how it's gonna, this is how it's gonna look. Just drag it and drop it. It's look better, nicer, look nicer. Let's go on the 15-minute time frame for scalpers. You see, for scalpers there was a sell here for like entry winning trade for like 30 pips. Today there was another entry here which was stopped out, but the market eventually went in your favor. You could have hopped again on this trade again, but I was not. It was not my intention of going in details about this indicator. But let me show you on the last chart here on GBP USD. I'm sure you could have caught something here. That I like the dark template better, so we'll use. I think is it the second one? Yeah, I think it's the second one here. So let us see how it looks with GBP USD pair. Drag and drop on the 1 hour time frame. Look, it could have been in a winning trade today, which is could have been still running here about 40 pips. But yeah, there was another entry. This indicator is awesome, guys. Believe me. But not for me, but for you guys. So see, there was 100 pips winning trade. There was some pips here. There was one long. So in 1, 2, 3, in 4 days, you could have made money on 1, 2, and 3 trades, I believe, and then lose one. 3 trades and lose one. But believe me, on those one that you're gonna win, they are high risk. They have a high risk to reward ratio. So anyway, guys, hope you enjoy it. Hope you learned it. If you need this indicator, then let me know. Let me know via the comment section. So I want to take a screenshot now again for this system for anyone that is gonna need it. Okay, thank you guys. Please subscribe, support my channel, share it, and turn on the bell notification so you get notified again when I release another video. See you. Sure, guys. Take care.